Okay, last two things with the at preposition, and so we're going to talk about places with the article, places in which you have to use the article, and we've got places in which we use the name of the place. Okay, so like I explained, we're going to use the article plus the place. In this example, we're going to always have to say the mall, the beach, the restaurant, the cafeteria. Okay? Combining it with our verbs here, arrive at, go to, come to, and leave. And also with our expressions here, and at for time. So, examples maybe?
I see you.
Okay, let's use arrive. I arrived.
I arrived at the mall around 7.
At around.
At around 7.
Good. So all these guys you're going to use? At. So again, please.
I arrived the mall.
At the mall.
At the mall at around 7.
Good. So remember that with all these guys, same thing, because it's the place. Okay, great. Lady?
I get to a cafeteria.
I get to the cafeteria.
I get to the cafeteria at about 3.
Great. Excellent. Come to.
I come to the disco at 10 sharp.
Nice. At 10 sharp. Good. Leave.
I leave the gym.
Mm-hmm.
I leave the gym at 4 on the dot.
Great. Good job. Sam?
Okay, Michael arrives at the gym at 6 at around 6.
Good.
Okay.
Get to and the pub.
I get to the pub at about 4.
Great. Come to the hospital.
Lisa comes to the hospital at 7 sharp.
Nice. Leave the restaurant.
Okay, Monica leaves the restaurant at 8 on the dot.
Great. Good job. Okay, and finally, places with the name. We just used the name of the place. At McDonald's, at Domino's, at La Paz Hospital, at Pizza Hut, at Kayala, at Teddy Roosevelt, and at Wal-Mart. Okay? Examples, please. I arrived.
I arrived at McDonald's at around 3.
Good. I get to.
I get to La Paz Hospital at 3 about.
At about.
At about 3.
Good. Come to.
I come to Pizza Hut at 3 sharp.
Kayala. Leave.
I leave Catala at 2 on the dot.
Good. Sam.
Okay, Peter arrives at McDonald's at around 3 p.m.
Get to Walmart.
John gets to Walmart at about 2.
Come to Mary Roosevelt.
Okay, Lisa comes to Teddy Roosevelt at 7 sharp.
Leave McDonald's.
And Josephine leaves McDonald's at 8 on the dot.
Great. Awesome. So that would be all. Good job.
Yay!
Yes. You guys are badass at prepositions. Nice work. Nice work. And that is all she wrote. Have a great Saturday evening. Thanks for watching.